some lines deleted, etc. after a workshop this morning, so this should be the finished copy. Would anybody like me to defer this agenda item later so they can actually read this more fully during tea break or something like that, or are you happy to take it as read, or I'm happy to defer the agenda item so you can look through this more thoroughly? The read of the deleted as we agreed.
Just the two main ones deleted, the other we asked for anyway. So
we're going to move it. Okay, we're going to move ahead. Helen, Ms. Gilbert, have you got anything you'd like to add before we push this through?
No, just note that we had a workshop on this, and so the only changes in it are to fix a couple of typo errors and to delete the project management funding that we had put in there, that's specifically around Turangi and Mangakino, and that we'll do some more work with those communities, and we'll come back with some more details at a later stage. And also then to just note that the schedule that you're approving at this stage will then go to the EGLT board for their comment, and so the draft resolution would enable the Chief Executive to make relatively minor amendments to the schedule when we get feedback from them.
Okay, so the suggested resolution on page 6/1 is to be ignored. There is a suggested resolution on your copy just handed out on page 2, written in blue. That Council adopts the proposed agreement for a service grant with Enterprise Great Lakes Harbour for the provision of economic development services for 2012-13, and authorises the Mayor and the Chief Executive Officer to sign the agreement pending the acceptance of the terms and conditions by the EGLT board. That the Chief Executive Officer to negotiate any minor changes to Schedule 1 of the agreement. So just to refer, if there's some small things, Mr. Williams can negotiate those out. If there's any big issues, they have to come back to us.
Just one question. Yeah. So this can be annually. We can revisit this.
Yes, this is an annual contract. In fact, we would develop it in conjunction with EGLT in future, and again workshop it with you.
This is only, as the resolution says, for 2012/13. Councillor Kirk.
Oh, sorry, there's just a couple of under table 2, under the first service outcome and delivery will include in the NAZ, which we corrected that we were going to make the service output about the Taupo District rather than just Taupo, and that was meant to be amended after the workshop last week, but
The district and after
the service output and delivery will include, in the third paragraph, consult regularly with EDNAZ.
Yes, noted. So let's adopt it as amended.
Suggested resolution, Your Worship, with the proposed amendment.
Thank you, Councillor Hickley. Second by Councillor Williams. Any further discussion? There being none, all in favour? Carried. Thank you. Moving now to agenda item